extremely fascinating animal who also happens to be very vocal. Sorry, hang on a second. Hey, good morning, Pete.
Morning, Adam.
What's going on?
I think he is upset with you.
He? What did I do?
You forgot to mention something very important about him.
Something very important. Oh, okay, ladies and gentlemen, Pedro is very upset because I failed to mention the most important fact about sea lions. You see, they happen to be one of the most handsome animals in the animal kingdom. And he's the most good looking of them all. We're going to show you how powerful his flippers are. Check this out. 200 kilograms.
वो घूमते रहते हैं ऐसे।
You can see that one more time.
पेड़ों को छोटे छोटे बंद।
That's what we call a flipper stand. Now, there's another animal who looks a lot like a sea lion, often mistaken for them in fact, and they're called seals.
पूरा घूमेंगे ना अभी तो घूमते ही रहते हैं।
Pedro is going to show you how they look and how they move. Yeah, you know what? They look a little bit lazy because they have much shorter front flippers than the sea lion. These powerful front flippers enable sea lion to move and coordinate easily on land, and they even have special hind flippers enabling them to rotate from side to side, making moving on land very easy. I think he's just about done showing off his moves. So how about let's give this handsome guy a nice big round of applause. Thanks, Pedro. Okay, you guys have seen how well he moves on land, and now it's time to see how fast the sea lion can swim. So Pedro, are you ready to swim? No? Never know.
Adam, he doesn't want to see.
Why not?
You see, he saw something big and scary in the pool.
Something big and scary in the pool. I don't see anything, but I tell you what, why don't you guys go check over there? I'm gonna check the corner here, okay? The corner. Pedro, open up. Oh, he thinks there's a shark in the pool. Pedro, if that's true, you can breakfast. Okay, now for the jokes. Come on, let's turn up the speed. And look at that. That's an hour, and that's as fast as a moving car. Now you see how fast he can swim, and how much he put his streamlined body to the test with a belly slide. As you can see, sea lions are highly intelligent animals, so much so that in fact the US Navy have been known to train sea lions for important search and rescue missions, like capturing enemy divers or even locating dangerous naval mines. This morning, I'm going to send Pedro on a rescue mission, and in order to do so, I need the help of a young volunteer. First hand in the air, the young man, yes, red and green, come on over. Let's give the young man a round of applause. Fastest fingers first. Good morning, what's your name? Baxter, did I get it right? Where are you from? Ladies and gentlemen, Baxter from Australia. Welcome to the zoo. Okay, so very simple. What you're going to do for me today, I want you to just reach your hand over the pool and drop this diving stick into the water, okay? Very good. And into the pool it goes. Baxter, can you swim? Excellent, because if he doesn't retrieve that, I'm sending you in after the show. Alright, you told me you can swim, so you can stand right over here. We're going to let Pedro work his magic. Pedro, you ready? Fingers crossed. Visibility is a little poor today. And does he have it? Yes, he does. Those are good for you today. And I've got a special treat. You stay right here. We've got Uncle Ron coming over with Pedro. Thank you, Pedro. And for helping me out, I have got you your very own reusable Splash Safari bag. Make good use of it, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause back to Australia. Thank you so much. Okay, next up, guys, focus your attention to the glass panel. Pedro's about to show off a little bit more of his swimming ability, and this is what we call the corkscrew behavior. Now, as you can see, he's spinning very gracefully underwater. You know, sea lions have a lot of special adaptations. For one thing, his whiskers are highly sensitive, enabling sea lions to detect vibration of their prey. And you might have also noticed his eyes are wide open. And that's because sea lions have a special membrane that covers their eyes, allowing them to see very clearly underwater. self-control. I'm sure you all know that sea lions cannot resist fish, right? So what Faye's gonna do, he's gonna place Pedro lying down, and then he's gonna put a nice juicy piece of fish in front of Pedro. And the key for Pedro to take that fish is very simple. One single clap. Okay? We're gonna try it again to take that fish, but he needs to hear only one clap. So we're gonna do it all together on the count of 3. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Don't be fast, don't be slow. Let's try it again. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. You are all so easy to train. As you can see, the fish is still there. Okay. Okay. There you go. Look at that great job of self-control. Now the secret is that he knows by not taking that one piece of fish, he's going to get a whole lot more for his patience and for a job well done. And that's what we call intelligence. Next up, one of my all-time favorite features on the sea lion, the ability to balance objects on their snout like this. And you know he's not just showing off just yet. Here we go off the land. We're going to flip a walk and roll over. There you go, balancing on his stairs. We're going to finish it off with a leopard stand. I hope that you guys have come to appreciate what an incredible animal we have joining us here today. And we're not done with the show, but it is time to talk about something a little bit more serious. The ocean's deadliest monster. Not a shark and not a killer whale, but plastic. They say plastic alone is responsible for killing over 1 million animals every year. A huge problem is single-use plastic, like plastic bags that we use, throw away, and don't think about where it ends up. Unfortunately, a lot of our rubbish ends up in the oceans of the world, and plastic bags floating in the water look a lot like food, which can be very confusing for a dolphin, a turtle, or a sea lion who can easily choke on a plastic bag and eventually die. Fishing line and pieces of net left in the ocean by careless fishermen are also said to kill thousands of marine animals yearly. Fishing line get tangled around the body or the flipper of the sea lion and cause something very painful, like a broken flipper. And you know, for an animal that spends a lot of time on the flippers, this can be a really painful problem. But even worse, when heavy fishing nets get tangled around the sea lion, the more they struggle, the tighter the net becomes. They drown and they die. Good. And the tongue is hanging out too. Okay, we are all very convinced Pedro you can come around. And you know what, guys, all those simple things that we can do to help, they can start by practicing 3 things. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now there are a lot of ways to do these things, but today Pedro is going to share his top 3 tips. So firstly, you can reduce your waste by getting a reusable bag. So that when you go shopping, you can say, I don't need a plastic bag. A little bit goes a very long way with time, especially if you spread the message to the people around you and encourage them to spread the message even further. Another really good way to cut down on waste is to stock up on reusable items like reusable takeout containers, cutlery, and of course one of the simplest things, a refillable bottle. Now here at the zoo, our gift shop has a lot of fun eco-friendly items, so if you have a bit of time, do check it out before you leave, but of course, remember to buy only what you need. And lastly, whatever we cannot reduce or reuse, we should try to recycle not just plastic or aluminium, but also our electronic items like hampers you are no longer using. Andrew is going to do a demonstration for us today. All you have to do is to take it to the nearest recycling center and bin it. We shall know. You know what? This handsome guy taught us a couple easy ways we can help. So please join us in our fight against the ocean's deadliest